Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. If you're watching this afternoon, okay, we're gonna jump right in it. I hope everybody is doing well, staying safe, staying in the house. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is I am going to read you guys the learning targets for today. The learning targets are: I can read a kindergarten grade level text accurately and fluently to make meaning. The next one is, I can write a complete sentence using CVC words and sight words with proper capitalization and punctuation. So the first thing we are going to dive right into is we're going to go over our sight words for the week. Make sure you have pencil and paper or anything to write with and some paper. After we go over our sight words, we're going to jump into our story time. I'm going to read you guys a book. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions as I'm reading the book. Then after that, we are going to go over practice writing a complete sentence using proper capitalization and punctuation at the end of each sentence. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to say the word. I want you guys to repeat after me and make sure you guys are writing these words down as I go along, okay? The first word is by. To. At. The. Make sure you guys are repeating after me. Look. This. All. My. Last one, his. Oh, no, not the last one. This is the last one. Have. Now, these sight words, you guys should know, if not all, most of these, because I sent you guys home with a sight word sheet in your packets. Make sure you guys go over that every single day. Make sure you practice writing your sight words 3 times each. And then, hey, on the weekend, on a Friday, ask your mom, like, hey, mommy, can you give me, you know, a spelling test to see what words you know and what words you need to work on. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is dive right into our book. The name of the book is My Baby Sister. Remember, guys, I want you to pay attention and listen and look, because I want you guys to notice any sight words that you see in this story. Matter of fact, the sight words that you see, why don't you go ahead and just write them on down. Okay? The name of the book is My Baby Sister. By looking at the cover of this book, let's see. What do you think this story is about? Think about it. Just by looking at this picture. What do you think this story is about? I think the story might be about a brother playing with his sister. Let's see. What do you guys think? My Baby Sister. Look at the ball. Make sure you guys write down any sight words that you see. Look at the book. Look at the bear. Oh, look. What's happening in this picture right here? Looks like he's trying, it looks like the baby sister is crying and he's trying to show her the bear to try to like cheer her up a little bit. Let's keep going. Let's see what happens next. Look at the rattle. He's showing his baby sister the rattle. Look at the duck. He's showing her all of these cool toys. He's trying to make her feel better. Let's see. Look at the dog. Look at the baby. Look at that smile. Aww. Now let's see. If I were to, let's see, I think the story was about a big brother trying to get his baby sister to stop crying. The whole time in the story, she was crying and he was showing her like all of these cool toys trying to get her to stop crying. Now let's go back, because remember, you guys are supposed to write down the sight words that you noticed in the book. I did see a few. Let's see. I'm gonna look on this page. What sight word or words do you notice in this page right here? Look at the book. Let's see if I can point out any sight words. Uh-oh, I see 2. How many do you guys see? Great. Let's see if we notice the same ones. So I notice look. That's one of our sight words. Look on your paper. Let's see if you guys wrote down the word look. Oh, it's actually 3 sight words. At. That's a sight word as well. Let's see if you guys, did you guys write that one down? And the. That was a sight word as well. So how many people got all 3 of the sight words right? If we all guessed the same thing. Good job, guys. So the next thing we are going to dive right on into is practice writing sentences using proper capitalization and punctuation. So at the end of every sentence, a period, an exclamation point, or a question mark. So I wrote a couple of sentences. I actually wrote 3 sentences down, and I want you guys to tell me what's wrong, if you notice anything wrong with these sentences. Now for a period, that is just like I'm foretelling something, you know, just something simple. Exclamation point, I am for yelling, meaning I'm excited about something. I'm excited. And a question mark is I'm for asking. Like I'm asking a question because I want to know something. So I want you guys to look at these sentences that I wrote and tell me if there's anything that I need to change or if the sentences are okay. So the first sentence, and I hope you guys can see this pretty well. The first sentence says, Janelle has a pet dog. Janelle has a pet dog. Looking at this sentence, is there something wrong? Am I missing something? Let's see. Uh-oh. What's supposed to go at the beginning of every sentence? Every sentence is a capital. So, uh-oh, I made a mistake there. So I'm going to just put capital J. I'm just going to rewrite it. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else wrong with my sentence? Shanell has a pet dog. That's a complete sentence to me, and I noticed that I didn't put anything at the end of the sentence, and I think it should be a period at the end. Yeah, what do you guys think? Let's see. So now I'm just gonna write it the right way. Don't mind Miss Shanell's handwriting, guys. It's quite difficult. Okay. So the correct way to write this sentence, let's see. We started our sentence off with a capital letter, a capital J. And we ended our sentence with a period. So that would complete our sentence. So now let's see. Okay. The next sentence says, do you have a pan? Do you have a pan? Is that, am I excited about that? Like, am I excited? Do you have a pan? Or is that, am I asking you something? I think I am. I think. So let's look at this sentence. I noticed 2 mistakes. Let's see. Remember what goes in the beginning of every sentence. A capital letter, and I forgot, so I didn't put it, so I'm just going to rewrite that to make it right. Let's see. Do you have a pan? What is that sentence? What kind of sentence is that? You're right. That is a question. I'm asking you, do you have something? So just going to rewrite it the right way. And what goes at the end of that sentence? When you're asking something, what goes there? Yep, a question mark. Good job, guys. All right, our last sentence. Let's see. It says, look at that cat. Let me read that again. Look at that cat. What kind of sentence is that? I noticed something else as well in this one. Didn't put the capital L. Did you guys notice that as well? I'm sure you did. Let's see. I know you did. Okay. Okay, so correct the word look. Then look at that cat. I'm actually like yelling to someone, like trying to get my sister's attention, like, look at that cat, look at that cat. I was excited. What goes after a sentence where you just like excited? I was trying to get my sister's attention. Look at that cat. Let's see what goes at the end of that. Who can tell me? I think an exclamation point. Do you guys agree? Yeah. So I did have a few mistakes, but you guys helped me correct them, which I appreciate. So guys, that just about sums up our lesson for today. Remember, make sure you write your spelling words every day. You have to go over those. And with writing proper sentences, have your parents write you out a couple of sentences and have you fix any mistakes that you see. And then just rewrite it and show your parents. You guys can make this kind of stuff fun. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a good day. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.